Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the radios and getting to the sharing pane. Open System Settings, go to General, then Sharing. This is where Internet sharing lives. Once there, pick the connection you want to share, for example Wi-Fi if your Mac is on Ethernet, or Ethernet if your Mac is on Wi-Fi. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on. Some devices need Bluetooth for discovery. Doing this now gets you into the actual configuration without wasted steps. Next, configure how other devices will connect. In sharing, choose the interface to share from and tick Wi-Fi under to computers using. Click Wi-Fi options to create a network name, choose a channel, and set a strong WPA2 password so strangers cannot join. Pick 4 GHz for range or 5 GHz for speed, depending on your client devices. Once you apply these settings, the Mac defines the hotspot parameters, so devices can find and authenticate to it reliably. Finally, enable Internet sharing by turning on the toggle and confirm the prompt. The Mac will start advertising the network. On your device, open Wi-Fi, find the SSID you set, and enter the password. Make sure DHCP assigns an IP. If a device fails to get Internet, restart Wi-Fi on both devices and rejoin. If problems persist, verify the Mac's firewall rules allow sharing and that the selected Share From interface actually has Internet. One restart usually clears lingering conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.